Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Google account is the one used for installs. This links update permissions. Open Play Store, tap your avatar, go to Settings, then Network Preferences. Select Auto Update Apps and pick over any network or over Wi-Fi only depending on data limits. Once done, you give the Play Store permission to update automatically. This reduces manual maintenance and ensures security patches arrive promptly. Next, make sure the system itself won't block updates. Check Android system updates and vendor settings that throttle background activity. You must allow background data for Play Store and exempt it from aggressive battery optimization so downloads proceed reliably. Also, open each important app's Play Store page, tap the three dots, and confirm the per app auto update box. Doing this prevents individual apps from being excluded and keeps features and fixes flowing uninterrupted. Finally, apply advanced controls. If you manage multiple devices, use Managed Google Play or an MDM to enforce auto-update policies. When updates fail, clear Play Store cache, force stop the app, and restart the device. This often resolves stalled downloads. Make sure there is adequate storage and a stable network, and confirm account sync is active. If things still fail, remove and re-add the Google account to reset permissions. This typically fixes persistent authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.